Is this thing on? Hello there. Welcome, one and all. My name's Cameron Collins. I'm the CEO, founder and eternal optimist of Collins Creations 3D. As a somewhat of a futurist, an idealist and lateral thinker, I want to find solutions to problems faced by a growing number of specialist and non-specialist professions and individuals in Cornwall, both in areas of interest of my own and in areas of interest of, well, other areas of interest really to numerous professions and industries in Cornwall. But enough about me. Today we're here to talk about Collins Creations 3D, or CC3D, as it's a bit easier to roll off the tongue. So let's get to it. CC3D is an advanced manufacturing and digital data acquisition service based in Cornwall, for Cornwall and one day beyond. We use a growing array of 3D printers, handheld 3D scanning tools and a variety of software packages that we harness to manipulate, convert, create and transform our client streams into functional prototypes and products that they can touch, feel, utilise and love to use in their businesses or personal lives in both B2B and B2C settings. We use our expertise, specialist knowledge and equipment to provide unique advanced manufacturing opportunities and services to Cornwall and the UK. CC3D provides numerous specialist services that are perfect for using our equipment, our expertise and knowledge. But for now, in this video, we will restrict ourselves to describing the three primary services that we provide, being 3D printing, 3D scanning and design consultation. If you want further information on more specific services, feel free to go follow the links below, straight to the website where you'll be transported there and you can read more specifically what other services we provide aid for. And if you're interested in any of that, then you're more than welcome to get in touch with us to see what we can do for you. 3D printing technologies offer a wide range of manufacturing capabilities, which are quite often superior to more conventional industrial methods currently employed and have been employed for quite some time. These benefits include reductions in manufacturing time spent from idea conception all the way through to end-state functional prototypes or products. Reduction in manufacturing costs and so reduce costs to clients both in B2B and B2C settings. High levels of repeatable accuracy. CC3D 3D printers are accurate to 10 microns. Improved digital compatibility and integration with other advanced manufacturing processes, which also utilise computer-aided design to achieve their goals, and then increasing freedom of choice when designing novel ideas, which in the past has been limited by traditional manufacturing processes due to their physical nature and practicality of those processes. These are, to name but a few, advantages over other industrial methods currently used. Of course, this technology isn't a silver bullet for all eventualities, but in the case of most of our clients, if not all of our clients, it's the next best thing. So we have to embrace it while it's here. You've also got to remember this technology is on the doorstep of all Cornish men, women and children, and we should see where these opportunities present themselves and do our best to take advantage of them while we can. Fear not the rest of Britain. We've got your back too, so at the end of the day you're only a telephone call away, a DM via social media, or just drop us an email if you've got any queries or you actually want to use our services. We can facilitate that as well, so please do get in touch. Our handheld 3D scanners are accurate to 0.6mm, which means they're ideal for scanning and digital recording of small to medium-sized objects, typically no bigger than a chair. Because they're handheld means we are mobile, so we can come to you in the case of providing services. Because we're mobile, it also means that we can schedule into your day-to-day plans where necessary, and in most cases we can attempt to do scans in most environments, workplace environments of your choosing. Our 3D scanning services extend beyond small object digitisation for businesses, hobbyists and interested individuals. We also provide unique, novel and innovative opportunities for Cornwall's people and its businesses, but we should cover this in future videos. But feel free to head straight to the website and see what sparks off your imagination using the links below. Our third and final primary service is our design consultation service, which involves primarily one thing: you and I talking, chatting, discussing, conversing if you will, your ideas, your projects that you've got in mind. This can be done at a location of your choosing, or it can be done at ESAM, the Enterprise Base for Advanced Manufacturing, based just outside of St Austell, which is where I'm at right now. So the choice is up to you where you would like to come and visit us or see us, or whether you want me to come and see you. At our meetings we can securely and openly discuss matters that are limiting to your work productivity, innovation potential and quality of life both inside and outside of work, and see what we can do to improve this using our own resources at CC3D. Our computer-aided design support, coupled with our 3D scanning and 3D printing capabilities, provide new opportunities to a range of specialist fields and industries which are currently suffering without affordable access to these skills or advanced manufacturing technologies. We make sure you and your ideas are secure with a two-way non-disclosure agreement to be signed as standard should you wish to claim IP rights, which we expect most individuals and businesses to do. We hope to approach your problems laterally and provide out-of-the-box thinking and using first principle methodologies to find solutions to your problems that can arise within corporate and non-corporate enterprises. We know from first-hand experience that businesses cannot always move forward and evolve as they could or would even like to, because they are restrained by their own conservative operations and management. CC3D therefore is here to break through this trend by providing consultation opportunities to anyone who might benefit from our product design resources, as well as receiving honest and unbiased outsider feedback. So now we've covered the basics of what we do, let's add some context to the conversation. Where can you find us? And more importantly, why are you here today watching me tell you about CC3D and what it can offer? We are Collins Creations 3D, officially established in late 2018, having been conceptualised a number of years prior. Our story is one of many twists and turns, but ultimately resulting in us being here at the ESAM facility, where, as you can see, we have a growing list of advanced manufacturing tools at our disposal to help our clients with their needs. We moved into our current setup in early 2019 at the Enterprise Base for Advanced Manufacturing, or ESAM, which is perfect for us now and for many years to come, with almost limitless potential at our fingertips and a wealth of knowledge and resources at our disposal. Great access to the A30 and a dramatic geographical presence, as well as the promise of serious ongoing civil engineering developments in the area, our future here looks very promising. In later videos we shall explore ESAM, as well as our own 3D printing hub and its associated services, but for now please follow the links below for further details. Now, I hear you all behind the camera thinking, so why should I use this CC3D? Why should I be using this CC3D? Why should I use this CC3D? What can CC3D do for my life and my family? Why should I trust this CC3D? Who are CC3D? And who is this guy? So yes, why should you be interested in CC3D? That's the question. Collins Creations 3D is first and foremost a community-driven enterprise here to directly support local, regional and national businesses and industries, provide employment opportunities for suitably qualified and forward-thinking individuals, provide environmental support and awareness both to customers and consumers alike, and provide STEM-focused education support for both local and national education bodies. From our research, we know many businesses need to address their own needs and aspirations within the county and what influences they have both nationally and internationally. Many have money problems, staff uptake problems, dreams of innovation and expansion through new product developments and designs, and all things related. CC3D provides affordable solutions to help combat these issues faced by businesses and individuals on a client-by-client basis. At CC3D, we represent true innovative thinking, providing access to revolutionary and potentially disruptive methods for some industries to access, thereby providing progressive individuals and businesses with opportunities to move forward and evolve into more sustainable entities, and in doing so overcome one or more of the issues listed previously. We are creative, fun, but professional in our approach to achieving your goals and have your needs at the forefront of what we do on a client-by-client basis. Our aim is to provide positive and productive outcomes for you, using what knowledge, expertise and equipment we have to achieve your goals. That being said, we will be honest and refer you on to an alternative party if your goals cannot be satisfied using our resources alone. We have a mindset focused on sustainability that endeavours to support local and national employment opportunities, as well as represent an environmentally friendly approach to manufacturing compared with traditional manufacturing methods currently used both regionally and nationally across a number of industries. We are passionate for where we live and are focused on Cornwall and its future. CC3D was founded with Cornwall in mind from the get-go. As its founder, I love Cornwall, its people, its weather, its sports, activities, its proud and ancient culture, and its socio-economic potential, both now and in the future. Collins Creations 3D has no intention of leaving Cornwall and wishes to support Cornwall indefinitely, which we know a number of industries dependent on Cornish trade cannot offer such commitment. So, we're approaching the end of the video. We hope that you're still here and that you've learnt now what CC3D might be able to provide you, your business, or even just a colleague or a friend in a particular industry that might benefit from such advanced manufacturing tools or services. I'd like to thank anyone who's helped create this video. Any information leading to them will be in the description below. I'd also like to personally, more importantly, thank you. Thank you for watching this video, finding the channel. We'll be updating the channel regularly with new content. If you've got any further interest in 3D printing, 3D scanning or design consultation, then please get in touch with us. All our information links are in the description below, and you can go straight to our website and find our contact details from there, or get in touch with us over the telephone, through your personal social media channels. You can drop us a DM on there, or just give us an email, and I'll be able to pick that up and get in touch with you as soon as possible. And of course, if you wish to keep on accessing the channel, then we will be uploading more and more content as time goes on. You'll be able to learn about new product releases specific to CC3D, as well as receive tutorials that we'll be doing regarding designing and the services that we provide as well. I'm Cameron from Collins Creations 3D, here to 3D print a better future for Cornwall and beyond, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.